8. Yep, let's try that.
Mission 1, Death at Dusk. Go!
Yes, that is correct. Perfect. Okay. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. So that's it for now. We'll probably rework this a little bit. I think this is just part of the process whenever you're going in and adding everything and putting everything through one script. We are reducing code as much as possible. I could even probably reduce this one more piece here, but I'm not going to do that right now. Mainly because when we come in here tomorrow and keep adding to what we've already built, we're basically probably going to use a DS list map, or I'm saying it incorrectly. Let me look. DS map, a data structure map, which is kind of like an associative array. If you're familiar with server-side programming, sometimes a hash in Ruby, associative array in PHP, a JSON string in JavaScript, which is client-side programming. But nonetheless, the DS map is going to be key because we'll be able to do things a little bit out of order instead of look for argument 1 in this particular location, argument 2, argument 3, or 4. We can just look for certain things that are passed in the DS map, and if they're there, then we execute what we want. Otherwise not. So this is in a really good place, though. I think the way it is, we could actually, you know, play the game and expect there to be no issues. We worked out the issues as we saw them come up, and we pretty much addressed them. The issue that we kept having with the EBP was related to it inheriting the event, the step event from the object base enemy, and we don't want it to do that yet. We don't have the step event worked out to inherit correctly yet, so we don't necessarily want any of our enemies to inherit yet. From Great Heights, DS map, Phil says. Yeah, it's gonna be nuts a little bit, but it won't be too bad because they're pretty straightforward. How a DS map works is pretty straightforward. So. Thanks again for tuning in tonight, guys. This was Skycurser Daily number 30. We mainly addressed just taking a look at passing multiple objects into the object-based enemy death script, so that if, for instance, we pass in the helicopter object with the rider and the propeller, we could destroy all of them at once, and we set that up to work properly on level 2. Now we can pass that through for any enemy that has multiple objects attached to it. Additionally, we were working on consolidating this script for mini blast bullet collisions, and eventually this will also be the script for the Skycurser katana and for the shotgun blast bullet as well. So everything will flow through this weapon collision script, and our goal here is to do as much as we can without duplicating any code. Right now we've got tons of duplicate code, and we're commenting it out and working through it as we can, but we've still got, I don't know, 7, 8, 9 enemies here, 10 enemies maybe, to work out and put in this script and write as little duplicate code as possible. The reason why we want to cut out with the reason why we want to not write duplicate code is mainly because, yeah, we can get our script to work if we do write duplicate code, but it's a big problem whenever you notice a bug with the way one piece of your code is written. If that's duplicated in another place, you have to update it in both places, or like I've done here, basically when I was learning GameMaker, I duplicated it in about 15 places, and that's just in this script alone. I've duplicated other code in other scripts, and I'm going back now and trying to do tech debt paydown and clean up that script, basically bad practice of programming with duplicate code. So hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If you haven't followed us on YouTube, Twitter, or Twitch, follow us there. Check us out on Skycurser.com. And I will leave you guys with our intro outro video, so give me just a moment.
So sure. What's this event on Friday?
Oh, it's just a little thing we do from time to time to show off to you guys.
Again, guys, thanks for tuning in. I will catch you guys next time.